So Cerebro is a combination of the school's academic and administrative operations in a single platform. So covered na namin lahat. Enrollment system, attendance monitoring, the learning management system, canteen management, library management, including the ready-made lessons, quizzes, test banks that teachers use for their classes. So right now, we have covered 129 subjects from kinder up to college. And we are serving around 100 schools na rin throughout the Philippines. Meron na siyang ready-made na lesson plan, aligned na siya sa curriculum ng DepEd and CHED. We have the PowerPoint presentations, we have the quizzes na automatically graded in the system. We also have the performance tasks na nandun na yung GRASP format, na yung goal, role, audience, standards, pati rubrics ng teacher. Nandun na. So, ibibigay na lang niya sa students talaga yon, sasagutan na lang ng estudyante. So, we eliminate the preparation time. But of course, ang preparation na lang na gagawin ng teacher is pag-aralan paano niya ituturo yun kinabukasan. Saka ang hirap kasi magsa-search ka pa kung saan website ko kukuha at di mo alam kung reliable, paano kung Wikipedia pala yung nakuha mo na reference. So, we already do the vetting of materials para yung i-present nila sa klase nila, verified content na yon na legitimate, align talaga siya dun sa lesson.